your sink is leaking, right? Sink is leaking. So you try to fix it, won't stop. So what do? You call the plumber. And the plumber comes over to your house, ding, 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 ding. 10 minutes go by, the sink is no longer leaking. Plumber walks out and hands you a bill for 250 bucks. You look at the bill and go, what? Dude, 250 bucks? Man, you were here for 10 minutes. You're charging me $250 for 10 minutes of your time? To which the plumber replies, I'm not charging you $250 for the 10 minutes that it took me to do this. I'm charging you $250 for the 20 years it took me to learn how to do this in 10 minutes. So we are uniquely positioned to make a lot of money in a relatively short period of time if you do the business the right way. If you lead with a servant's heart, if you build relationships with the right people.